If you're tired of cleaning floors, vacuuming pet hair, and dealing with dust every single day, this video is for you. These are the best budget robot vacuums of 2025 that actually perform like high-end models, but at prices real people can afford. Each one has a unique strength, so listen closely and choose the one that fits your home. Let's begin. If you've got pets, the Mova S10 was built for your home. It uses a 7,000 Pascal high-power suction system that picks up pet hair, cat litter, crumbs, dust, even deep-down debris stuck in carpets. And because of its tangle-free suction port, hair doesn't wrap around the brush like older vacuums. The S10 is also smart. With ultrasonic carpet detection, it automatically boosts suction on carpets and lifts its mops by 7 millimeters so your rugs never get wet. No babysitting, no mistakes. It maps your rooms with 3D obstacle avoidance, so it moves smoothly even around chairs, toys, and cables. And with up to 260 minutes of runtime, it can clean large homes up to 1,800 square feet on a single charge. Control it with Alexa, Google, or Siri, set schedules, no-go zones, and custom room cleaning inside the Mova app. For pet owners on a budget, this one is simply perfect. The Dream D10 Plus Gen 2 is designed for people who want to press start and walk away. Its auto-empty base stores dust in a 4-liter bag, meaning you only replace it every 45 to 90 days. That's almost 3 months of hands-free cleaning. Power is not a problem here. With 6,000 Pascal suction, it handles carpets and pet hair easily, and its floating rubber brush reduces tangles, a huge win for long hair homes. This one also mops while it vacuums, with adjustable water flow so you can choose light wipe or deeper cleaning. And thanks to Smart Pathfinder mapping, it learns your home quickly and avoids furniture like a pro. Inside the Dream Home app, you can set virtual boundaries, room-by-room schedules, and multi-floor mapping. If you want strong cleaning, low noise, and almost no maintenance, this is the best value pick in the entire list. Most robot vacuums struggle with corners. The Eufy C10 doesn't. It has a unique corner rover extendable brush that reaches deep into edges, baseboards, and tight spaces where dirt normally hides. It also empties itself into a 3-liter dust bag that lasts up to 60 days, so you barely ever touch the mess. With 4,000 Pascal suction and a roller brush, it cleans floors and carpets reliably. And its laser navigation creates efficient, neat cleaning paths. No random zigzag patterns. Plus, it's only 2.85 inches tall, meaning it fits under beds, sofas, and dressers where most dust collects. If you live in an apartment, studio, or bedroom with furniture gaps, the C10 is a smart, efficient, and quiet cleaning upgrade. The Eureka E20 Plus is where budget meets premium features. It has 8,000 Pascal suction, one of the strongest in this price range, meaning it deep cleans carpets and pet areas exceptionally well. And unlike most vacuums, the E20 doesn't need dust bags. The base is bagless and stores up to 45 days of dirt. The Duo detects AI 3D obstacle system that uses dual LiDAR sensors, giving it extremely precise navigation, even in low light. The mop is also intelligent. When the E20 detects carpet, it automatically lifts the mop by 10 millimeters, so your rugs never get wet. The anti-tangle rubber brush makes it ideal for long hair or multiple pets. If you want high-end cleaning without spending high-end money, this one delivers the most features per dollar. The Roborock Crevo QV35A is the most complete system in the budget category. With 8,000 Pascal suction and a tangle-free rubber brush, it handles deep carpet cleaning better than most mid-range vacuums. But the star here is the all-in-one dock. It empties the dust automatically, washes the mop pads, refills the clean water tank, dries the mops to prevent odor. 2 rotating mop pads scrub floors with real pressure, and they lift by 10 millimeters when transitioning to carpets. The PreciSense LiDAR navigation builds accurate maps and supports custom room cleaning and multi-floor layouts. This is the closest you get to full automation at this price. iRobot is known for reliability, and the Max 705 is their smartest budget flagship yet. The combination of dual rubber brushes plus powerful suction allows it to stay in constant contact with the floor, grabbing dirt most vacuums leave behind. The Precision Vision AI system identifies socks, cords, and even pet waste, and avoids them. That means almost no getting stuck. The auto-empty dock stores up to 75 days of dirt in a sealed, hygienic bag, keeping dust contained. The Max 705 doesn't just clean, it learns. It recognizes which rooms get dirty fastest, and automatically prioritizes them for deeper cleaning. If you want intelligent cleaning, room-based control, and true reliability, this is the one to trust. And there you have it, 6 robot vacuums that prove you don't need to spend a fortune for next-level cleaning. From deep suction to self-emptying docks, these budget bots do it all without breaking the bank. Which one fits your home best? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know your pick. Don't forget to check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.